Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. First of all, we are very thankful for your support. Keep supporting us, share with your friends. So in this drug inspector microbiology standard questions, let's continue from question number 51. Question number 51. The term rat lung worm is associated with. The options are option A, Trichinella spiralis, option B, Toxocara canis, option C, Toxocara cati, option D, Angiostrongylis cantonensis. So the right option is option D, Angiostrongylis cantonensis. Then question number 52, habitat of Trichuris trichura is. The options are option A, duodenum, option B, jejunum, option C, ileum, and option D, cecum. So the right option is option D, cecum. Then question number 53, the term cat liver fluke is associated with. The options are option A, Ophthalmorchis felinensis, option B, Paragonus westernmani, option C, Clonarchis sinensis, option D, F. hepatica. So the right option is option A, Ophthalmorchis felinensis. Then question number 54, which one of the following is called dog tapeworm? The options are option A, D. latum, option B, H. diminuta, option C, T. saginata, option D, E. granulosis. So the right option is option D, E. granulosis. Then question number 55, cysticercoid larvae development is seen in the life cycle of option A, T. saginata, option B, T. scholium, option C, H. nana, option D, multiceps. So the right option is option C, H. nana. Then question number 56, viriod is the options are option A, DNA virus, option B, enveloped DNA virus, option C, naked small ssRNA without capsid, option D, enveloped RNA virus. So the right option is option C, naked small ssRNA without capsid. Then comes to number 57, dengue virus belong to the family. Option A, Flaviviridae, option B, Filoviridae, option C, Calciviridae, and option D, Togaviridae. So the right option is option A, Flaviviridae. Then question number 58, human immunodeficiency virus belongs to the family. So the options are option A, Rioviridae, option B, Banyaviridae, option C, Retroviridae, and option D, Filoviridae. So the right option is option C, Retroviridae. So we know that HIV is an retroviral type. Then question number 59, the term helical symmetry virus is associated with. The options are option A, herpes simplex virus, option B, hepatitis B, option C, hepatitis A, option D, coronavirus. So the right option is option D, coronavirus. Then question number 60, Cowrie type A inclusion bodies are seen in. The options are option A, mumps virus infection, option B, measles virus infection, option C, yellow fever virus infection, option D, rabies virus infection. So the right option is option C, yellow fever virus infection. So in yellow fever virus infection, Cowrie type A inclusion bodies are seen. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like and add your thoughts in our comment section, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.